Target price orders, designed for our corporate customers. This option allows you to source parts at your own price, a perfect solution for mid and high volume projects where budget control is crucial. Start by creating a new target price order. Upload your designs, set all parameters, including materials, quantities, and advanced features. Then, set your desired price per unit. This is what sets target price orders apart from other quoting options, giving you direct control over your costs. The order process is similar to other quoting options. If you choose to pay with a credit card, the target amount will be pre-authorized, meaning it will be held on your card temporarily. Once your order is placed, our auditing team will review it and confirm within 72 hours. If the order is confirmed, the pre-authorized amount will be charged to your card. If your target price doesn't align with current market conditions, we'll provide the best possible counter offer. Should you decide not to accept the counter offer and cancel the order, the pre-authorized amount will be promptly returned to your account. Xometry is the perfect solution for everyone, from engineers and designers to purchasers and project managers. No matter your role, our platform offers the flexibility and efficiency you need to bring your ideas to life. Source your parts efficiently with Xometry.